Looking for seamless and secure way to trade your crypto? Stick with me as we dive into a platform that is bringing crypto trading into your fingertips. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Bitmart. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange that is offering the users access to a vast selection of digital assets. Now, with a comprehensive range of trading pairs, which also includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins out there, Bitmart caters to both novice and experienced traders alike. Now, the platform is designed for ease of use, featuring a super intuitive interface and fast transaction speeds for users worldwide. Now, one of Bitmart's key advantages is its competitive fee structure. Now, if you are trading, if you are heavy into trading, especially if you're like a day trader or a scalper, you need to make sure that those fees are competitive and not robbing you of the profit that you could possibly get, right? Now, it is ensuring seamless execution of trades regardless of volume. And that is what makes it an ideal platform for both the casual crypto enthusiast and the professional investors as well. So security, of course, remains a top priority at Bitmart. And that is actually what I really love about them. Because for me, looking for an exchange that I would be using as my go-to for the trades, you have to make sure that your asset is always secure and always safe. And that is one thing that I am proud that they are, focusing on. Want more leads in niche domination? YTRanker.net is here to cut the fluff, build real strategies that drive results. All right, guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window, and this keeps our searches clean and free from any biases from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure that the settings for this one is set to English. All right, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So hi proxies. Who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. All right, let's run one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Bam. Look at that, guys. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results. So that is how you would know that you're doing something right. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with ytranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, the platform is employing advanced protective measures such as the two-factor authentication and the use of cold wallets. Now, that is something that I would strongly recommend, guys, especially if you have a lot of assets that you have in the exchange. I personally use a cold storage wallet because, even if the hackers hacks into your account, and hopefully not, right? They will not be able to send your assets out without approving that from your cold storage wallet. Now, Bitmart is also providing insurance coverage on assets along with the 24/7 monitoring system that detects and prevents fraudulent activities or hacking attempts. So that is really, really, something that users really, really love about them. So in addition to trading, guys, Bitmart offers staking and earning opportunities, allowing the users to generate passive income. And the staking process is very, very straightforward, and it is accessible within the platform. So no need to go to other websites and all that. Now, guys, users also benefit from the Bitmart token, which is the BMX token, all right, which actually grants exclusive perks and discounts on the platform. Okay, so the holders of those tokens has rewards and has like perks when they are with Bitmart. And what I really, really love about them is that they have their own mobile app. That way, when you are out of your office or if you're on the go, you would still be able to access your account, especially if you have critical trades that you would like to make or do. You would be able to access that as long as you have data or internet on the go. Now, with around-the-clock customer service, guys, and the educational resources that you need, you have the tools for your success. Now, I, of course, would always tell you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. So you could also know more about them on what they do, who they are, and what are the value propositions that they would be able to offer you when you trade with them. So of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms, guys. That way when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. It is right here up on top of me. You have all the links in there. Okay, you have the X, the Telegram, and all other social media platforms. Do go ahead and check out all of them. Follow, subscribe. That way, when they have free stuff, you will always be informed. And if you're new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.